एक काम करते हैं, local governments very small topic guys. I'll show you the questions. Approaches, everything you have to have an approach. See the local governments thing guys here. Mostly they will ask about, ये थोड़ा सा wrong answer गिर गया है इसमें, why local governments are required, democratic decentralization, and they will ask about like what is not covered in the state government will not have control over local bodies, they will have control in all these matters, appointing people, financial laws, grievances पे they won't have. तो थोड़ा सा wrong tick हो गया मेरे आंसर में, D was tick but answer is citizens grievances only guys. बाकी questions they will ask, बट्टी कर लो, what is there in 73rd 74th amendment, compulsory provisions, voluntary provisions, reservations, you see. Then I told you in the classes that read about 243 ZD and ZE. What are those? District Planning Committee, Metropolitan Area Committee. These two you have to see, their composition, their functioning you have to see. The composition also is important. Then please also go through, okay, Yesigi they asked, in which amendment they gave District Planning Committee? They put the twist as 73rd. No, it is 74th. So you should know what is there in 73rd, what is there in 74. एक बार पक्का देख लो. Then one question on Gram Sabha, what they can do, what they cannot do. कि minerals में they can give permission for minor minerals. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया twist में? Any mineral. So you should know exactly. Okay, which is the powers of PESA हो जाओ, Gram Sabha हो जाओ, what is that? Okay, तो ये पढ़ लो. Then they ask question on basic things. Which of the following is not the objective of PESA? PESA, please you read guys. What are the provisions of PESA you see? PESA will be giving about self-governance, traditional rights, autonomous regions in tribal areas. I told yesterday. Who will make it? Who will create autonomous regions in tribal? Very good. It is Parliament will do it, not the PESA will not do it guys. So tribal population is okay, but this was not the aim of PESA Act, autonomous regions, giving self-governance, traditional rights, exploitation, but not this. So ऐसे करके you will be able to solve. अभी देखो question ऐसे basic questions guys in local bodies. Not many questions in local bodies, hardly one or two once in a 2 or 3 years guys. What is the hint UPSC gave? Fundamental object. Fundamental. చూస్తే అన్ని కరెక్ట్ అనిపిస్తున్నాయి, but they asked fundamental. So UPSC has given a hint for you. బయట దేక్, I'm asking fundamental only. Most important things. Come on, fast. One, which is not the fundamental objective. Political accountability, paisa kamana. Okay, that is not the aim. So political accountability and this I remove. Do I have an option? See, I got. तो because participation तो पक्का है, one तो पक्का होगा, decentralization तो पक्का होगा. So I will know that 1 and 3 are definitely there. So I will check the options where 1 and 3 are there. But unfortunately, AB is 2-3 options में 1 and 3 are there. I should know whether I should go with 4 or 2. So I should see 1 and 3 यहाँ पे भी है, 1 and 3 यहाँ पे भी, 1 and 3 so यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा I have to take a hint. I should know there is no option here guys. You have to know the answer. Accountability is not always the reason for. Accountability is there at all levels. For giving accountability, 75 clause 3 talks about accountability. The entire India's parliamentary system is based on responsibility, accountability. So the fundamental objective of Panchayat Raj is what? Development at the grassroots. Accountability is a consequence of this, but accountability is not the main reason they have created this. First you establish a body, give the powers, let people take decisions, then as a consequence what happens? You can ensure the accountability. Easily the word fundamental object is given in the statement guys. So I think now you can understand what type of questions are asked. 5th schedule and 6th schedule, what is, they are made for what? Boundaries are, powers of panchayat, interests of borders are. A option looks the most appropriate. Okay, A option is the most appropriate. So Gram Nyayalayas, this is actually judiciary topic guys. Remember guys, Supreme Court, High Court composition, who will appoint the judges, who will remove them, who will increase the size of Supreme Court judges, Parliament, For High Court it is President. Then you have to read about, after this completion, jurisdiction you have to see, advisory, appellate, original, appellate, advisory, special petition, etc. Read those things. Then after completing this, they are also asking a question on, let's say, retired judges. Kabhi kabhi पूछ रहे, rarely, once in a while, not always. More benefit is there in understanding what is judicial review, judges ki appointments, Supreme Court independence, how we ensure judicial independence, those you read. Then you read about other things like Nalsa you read. Then you read about Lok Adalats, prelims, mains mein they are repeating these questions. Then you go and read Gram Nyayalayas, what is their composition. Okay, then you read about tribunals, they're asking questions on these areas also. Okay, so please focus on the basic composition of these things. Then you will get the good score, guys. Abba, time is getting very closer, guys. So please, the answer is very simple. Gram Nyayalayas, Lok Adalats can hear all the cases, civil and criminal cases. Okay, and social activists also can be there, guys. So ye can only civil cases बोल के बोला यहाँ पे wrong है. Can hear both the cases. This is again, I can solve it, guys. Panchayat ka minimum ages they have asked. So not very tough questions in the Panchayat Raj. As you can see, all basic questions they're asking. Under which schedule can the transfer of land, tribal land to private properties for mining can be declared as null and void? कितना easy question है, guys. Where we have this tribal, कौन से schedule में है? 9 तो पक्का नहीं होगा, 12 तो नहीं होगा, 3rd तो नहीं होगा. So I mean, there is not difficulties there. So please, guys, local government strategy is what? Read properly. 73rd amendment, what are there? 74th amendment, what are there? And also see the 29 items, 18 items which are there in the lists. Okay, schedule है ना जो 11 schedule, 12 schedule. See there, they are asking questions. Libraries कहाँ पे आते हैं? Markets किस में आते हैं? Slums where they will come? Sanitation where it will come? They will ask in the exam, guys. तो ये हो गया हमारा local governments. Tell fast. Okay, shall we go to elections? Okay, elections where mostly they are asking about, of course, election topic is linked with parliament because that is how it works. So there is some overlapping is there in the elections chapter, guys. एक काम करते हैं, judiciary में I will quickly show you what type of questions they are asking in the exam, what is the approach. Let us not solve, let us see the questions. CAT they ask, which means tribunals you read, 323A, 323B. How the twist is there? I don't know whether it was brought in Shastri time. When I read tribunals, I should read the first line in tribunal chapter that it was brought by Indira Gandhi. So 1976 42nd amendment. Where was he at that time? Dead. He's not there. So I can easily eliminate this option. It has both judicial and administrative. Obviously it's the right answer. So read the basics of tribunal when they were established. Please do read the difference between 323A, 323B. Administrative अलग है, other tribunals अलग है. Read the differentiation. Okay, CAT में कितने members है देख लो. अभी बोला ना तुमको मैं. Read about the composition of CAT. Okay, and also read about 323B. Who can establish tribunals? Other matters, both parliament and state. A में only parliament can establish the tribunals. Are you following or not, guys? सुनो भाई, पूरे निढाल हो गए. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स का क्या हाल है? बार बार देखना पड़ रहा है. फाइनेंशियल मोबिलाइजेशन थोड़ा फार फेच्ड है. ओके, एक्सटेंड बियॉन्ड 8:30 बट आई विल बी सब्जेक्ट टू ट्रोलिंग. Is this PDF cherry picking easy questions? No, you can see the questions, man. 2000 देखो कौन सा ईयर है? 2009. I told 25 year questions. Okay, 25 year questions मतलब क्या होता है? पूरे questions है. All questions are there. 2009 से लेके okay 2022 22 21 19 2010 पूरे हैं भाई. 18 17 all are there. Now we discussed 2024 already. 23 में शायद नहीं पूछा है क्वेश्चन इसमें से. So all questions are there. 14 20 okay 13 12. ये नेगेटिव प्रचार बंद करो भाई. इतना करने के बाद भी अगर इजी क्वेश्चंस बोल तो क्या कर सकते हैं. अब गाइस डिफिकल्ट टू सेटिस्फाई स्टूडेंट्स, वो तो हमेशा होता है वो. difficult to satisfy students. What is this question? अरे sorry. Okay, you can't see ना. अरे भाई एक मिनट. एक काम करते हैं भाई, मेरा काम ये हो गया. 2024 क्वेश्चन गाइस, खुल जा सिम. ओके, एब्राकाडाब्रा. ओके, चलो फिर भी वर्क नहीं कर रहा है. नो सिग्नल. So even this board also wants me to go home. I want to, of course. Who would have expected these type of silly question in the exam? अरे क्या हुआ? नहीं आ रहा है? I think it's lost. Already time is less. अब ये this is 2024 question. No, I'm asking you. अब ये भी पूछ रहे हैं भाई 2024 में there is a combination of easy, moderate and difficult questions in the exam. Okay? अब वैसे questions भी है, ये भी questions है. अब you tell me guys, ये कितनी बार नहीं पूछा UPSC question? We are tired of solving this question. We thought last year Supreme Court finally done with Article 21. Since Puttaswamy case, they are bombarding with this. Forget about this. ये पूछ लेना. Mains में again they asked this question. Right to privacy again they asked. Mains में this. After prelims they asked in mains. And they asked about paternity testing, DNA testing they have asked. So EPSC is always having the combination of easy and difficult questions. So थोड़ा सा सुनो भाई क्लास, वो एनालिसिस बाद में करो, ठीक है गाइस? टाइम इज कमिंग क्लोजर टू, ओके, खत्म हो रहा है टाइम. प्लीज सीक फास्ट. लोक अदालत, वन क्वेश्चन हैज बीन आस्क्ड. सी देयर जुरिस्डिक्शन. Advisory jurisdiction 143. Okay, relationship between President and Supreme Court. Jurisdiction of Supreme Court, one question. Then how does Constitution ensures independence of judiciary? We have all the lines. Okay, charge on consolidated fund, no discussion, etc. All those, they can appoint their own staff. Very logical question. Nalsa question. Again Nalsa, who are the beneficiaries and what happens in Nalsa? Then again Nalsa has been repeated in the exam guys. Who are the beneficiaries? Then who can increase the judges of the courts? Then jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Again you see here guys, custodian of the Constitution, President as well as Supreme Court, but more is Supreme Court because they save our fundamental rights. Then judicial review definition, as simple as that. Then you see the questions of how judges are removed. So you can understand in judiciary, just to see the qualifications, removal, jurisdictions, and now new types of courts are coming. Nalsa, Gram Nyayalayas, Lok Adalats. This year in mains they asked arbitration tribunals. Generally we read administrative tribunals, but also read arbitration tribunals. Because these days we are having more and more ADR mechanisms. So while I was coming back to Hyderabad 2 days ago, so I put on the FM and there we'll learn many things guys. There was one guest who is working already in ADR, and generally we listen to songs, but I listen to songs as well as news. तो क्या हुआ उसमें, मैंने लगा दिया news, and this guy who is actually working in ADR, 15 minutes he came as a guest and he explained, tell us what is this ADR mechanisms. He explained the entire difference between what is arbitration, what is negotiation, what is conciliation, what is mediation. In each cases what are the differences. In classes already I told these points कि हर चीज में difference है. Arbitration is different than mediation, is different than conciliation, different than negotiation. They will ask in the UPSC in the future the options कि match the following. Arbitration hyphen something they will give, mediation something they will give. Now match the following 1A 2B 3C ऐसा है ना. You have to expect this kind of questions in the exam because trends are showing us UPSC is focusing on the neglected areas like Nalsa. They may ask judicial data grid also. They may ask e-courts mission mode project also they can ask. To focus on the developments of the judiciary along with the traditional questions in judiciary chapter. Are you following or not guys? These anybody can solve with basic knowledge of judiciary. If you want to get those extra 1-2 marks, what you should do, read the recent trends of ADR mechanisms, read the national judicial judicial data grid. You see e-courts project में कितने phases है, you see those phases. Now we are going to second phase is over, news में आया था. Now we are going to third phase of e-courts project. In third phase AI can be used for solving of the cases. तो वो अभी explore कर रहे हैं governments. तो वो पूरा phases you have to read in the for the exam purpose. और read also about fast track courts. Fast track courts also are in news. Okay, they are lecture centrally sponsored schemes से बनते हैं fast track courts. Both center and state can make the fast track courts. Read those fast track courts. ओके, आर यू फॉलोइंग और नॉट? तो ये पूरे पढ़ लो बाई केसेस. ओके, अभी न्यूज़ में वो अभिषेक क्या है, वो वन गाय हैज डाइड नो, तो फैमिली कोर्ट्स, अतुल कुछ नाम है, तो फैमिली कोर्ट्स एक बार गूगल करके देख लो. बिकॉज द जज रितु कुछ नाम है उसका, शी वॉज इन बैड कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी बिकॉज शी मेड फन ऑफ दैट पर्सन वॉट एवर शी वॉज लाफिंग करते. तो रीड अबाउट फैमिली कोर्ट्स, हाउ दे आर एस्टैब्लिश्ड बोल के रीड अबाउट दोज कोर्ट्स. ठीक है, जुडिशरी में दैट इज वॉट विल बी कमिंग इन द एग्जाम गाइस. नाउ there is, I have one more thing guys here. 1 minute. Okay, session is coming to a close very soon. See here guys, parliament and executive, I think already in the previous classes I told you what to focus na, कि parliament में you see the things yesterday I told. Bills का देख लो, definitions of all the bills you see, who can pass the bills. ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए परमिशन चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, बिल्स का वो पूरा डब्बा है ना, वो पूरा यू हैव टू रिमेंबर गाइस. वन क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड, डेफिनेशन ऑफ बिल्स आल्सो. देन न्यूज़ में पार्लियामेंट्री प्रिविलेजेस. ओके, न्यूज़ में प्रिविलेज कमेटी, एथिक्स कमेटी, कमिटीज यू रीड, एंड फाइनेंशियल कमिटीज 3 बट्टी कर लो, मतलब कॉम्पोजिशन क्या है, कब आए थे, व्हाट्सएट्रा. ओके, पीएसी कमेटी, एस्टिमेट्स कमेटी, पीएसयू कमेटी एटसेट्रा. देन in parliament other important topics are defection, anti-defection laws, questions are being asked multiple number of times. Then office of profit questions they are asking guys, office of profit, defection, parliamentary privileges, they are asking questions on the वो एग्जीक्यूटिव में, of course composition of the ministers they are asking, वो अलग हो गया. और questions क्या है इसमें, वो committees, motions, no confidence motion, okay, any other privilege motion हो जाओ, they are asking these questions. budget में 1-2 questions they are asking guys. just now I told budget के पूरे elements देख लो एक बार questions में. and then what else, devices of parliamentary proceedings, see, have proper clarity on what is question hour, what is 0 hour, and see some of the devices like adjournment motion, suspension of business notice, point of order, every time in news. Dhankar has never allowed any kind of suspension of business notice, rule 267 always in news. Point of order, if the house is not following the rules, we can raise the point of order, always in news. Last year suspension of MPs was in news. See the rules of suspension, who has the power to suspend the MPs. Lok Sabha speaker can suspend, Rajya Sabha chairman cannot suspend, you have to pass a motion. तो ऐसा suspension of MPs also is in news. See that. और क्या बच गया, okay. And then you see the basics of composition. They will ask questions on special or 12 nominated MPs of Rajya Sabha is there, no, they may ask questions on composition of legislative council, they will ask in the exam guys. Okay, like we have that now, we'll have 1/3 MLAs, 1/3 local bodies, 1/12 teachers not less than secondary grade, 1/12 graduates residing in the state for 3 years, and remaining are nominated by the government. ये पक्का पूछेंगे exam में, once in a while they will ask. See the composition. Last time they asked one question on maximum minimum strength of state legislature, they have asked. Read कि है ना कितना 560 बोल के है ना वो कुछ 560 बोल के maximum minimum. They also ask questions on strength of legislative council cannot exceed how much, 1/3 of the assembly. See the basics, composition, durations, okay, and also you see the qualifications of all. Then you see होगा इतना ही, disqualifications because it is in news. वो 102 article you see, 191 article you see guys, ये बहुत सारे न्यूज़ में हैं. Qualification, disqualifications and committees, that is what they will ask in the exam. तो ये पूरे questions guys. तो and also see this powers of Lok Sabha, where it is equal with Rajya Sabha, where it has more powers than Rajya Sabha, and where Rajya Sabha has more powers than Lok Sabha in what cases. Those type of questions are asked in the parliament. Speaker, deputy speaker, their powers also can be asked. So these are the areas in the what parliament chapter guys. और कौन सा बच गया? Election system is linked with your parliament chapter. So RP Act के basic provisions read. So generally we say no, 50 RP Act has provisions of election officers, delimitation of seats, okay, other number of seats in both the houses. 51 Act talks about what election conducting, which means qualification, disqualifications, okay, corrupt practices, election disputes are there. तो वो पूरे basics you can see here guys, they're asking questions of this nature. Okay, और क्या है, see the political parties, criteria to call a party as national party and state party, and also see some basic facts about election commission, how can it regulate political parties. Shiv Sena controversy has gone. Okay, and then we have this Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar's Shiv Sena, the splits also happened. So they gave a question in the exam in the past ki EC will be the adjudicating authority when it comes to splits and mergers. Yes, EC is a quasi judicial body guys. Election symbols, mergers and all these things, EC has the power. Puts the already question. This question was chiller question, they won't answer questions anymore कि how much money deposit you have to pay बोल के, वो पुराने questions है. Okay, और यहाँ पे देखो गाइस लेटेस्ट क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे देखो, सी हाउ दे आस्क द क्वेश्चन. प्रेसिडेंट के इलेक्शंस ऑफ कोर्स गाइस थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस दे आस्क. वी आर नॉट एबल टू रिमेंबर एवरी सिंगल स्टेट्स एमएलए एमपी वोट वैल्यू. स्किप दैट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन इफ दे आस्क लाइक दिस नॉनसेंस गाइस. नॉट ह्यूमनली पॉसिबल फॉर एनी पर्सन टू रिमेंबर ऑल 28 states MLA vote value, very difficult. So if it is too difficult like this, skip those questions. No need to take unnecessary risk in the kind of questions. Anti-defection law question they have asked one more guys. और क्या है, ministers classification. Constitution ने classify किया क्या? Whenever you see the words Constitution classifies, Constitution defines, go with the basic assumption that it could mostly be wrong. Unless you have a strong evidence that Constitution ने define किया, classify किया, then only tick the option correct. Whenever you see the option Constitution classifies the DPSPs, Constitution classifies the ministers, Constitution defines certain things as minority or something, no. I will not say 100%, but almost 99%. Whenever you say Constitution classifies or Constitution defines, there is a more chance that the question is, the statement is absolutely wrong. So go with that assumption. Again, don't blindly tick guys. Conditions apply. Okay, conditions apply here guys because it's about your future. So think carefully कि हाँ पक्का शायद classify तो नहीं करा होगा, define तो नहीं करा होगा. Unless you know it is defined, don't go with the statement as correct guys. And then they will put some statements like this. Okay, for example, a person can contest from how many constituencies. In my notes, if you see, I gave in election chapter in my PDF, I will have given you who can vote in elections, who can contest elections, who are the types of voters in India, how many which people can vote in proxy voting in India. I discussed proxy voting मतलब क्या होता है, classified service voters जो आर्मी में है, only those guys, not other service voters. जैसे कि गवर्नमेंट के जॉब कर रहा वो नहीं, आर्मी के लोग जो है ना, वो लोग के पास प्रॉक्सी वोटिंग है, which means they can appoint a person to vote on their behalf. So read those. मेरे नोट्स में ये सब कुछ है. Read the classification of voters. Read who can vote in elections, who cannot vote in elections, then how many places we can contest as elections, and also read those simultaneous membership rules also guys. Ki a person if he contests from Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha at the same time, which seat will be khali, contesting in Lok Sabha and the state again, which seat will be vacant if he does not tell. Are you following? So double membership के है ना वो, read those provisions also. And how many places a person can contest from one seat they will ask in the exam. Delimitation they will ask multiple number of times. So ये हो गया हमारा election related things guys. Okay, state का तो already I told you guys, composition and the qualifications they will ask for the state. Okay, तो ये हो गया. और क्या बच गया अभी? Sorry for rushing. I think you're getting the gist or not, like what areas to prepare. Okay, all is not lost. I mean, I'm anyhow available in our institute, so if anytime you have questions you can approach me with respect to polity guys. और क्या बच गया, और क्या बच गया, what else is left guys? Constitutional bodies, one question may come in the exam depending on composition, who appoints, who removes. तो उसमें पढ़ लो, मेरे पास नोट्स में है, एक मिनट I will show you guys. I'll show you, please read this. Okay, those who are online may not be able to read properly, so I'll zoom it. तो ऐसा 2 pages are there guys. तो एक बार पढ़ लो. देखो, articles, composition, appointment, qualifications, tenure, removal, report will they submit or not, post retirement can they work or not, nice jobs waiting for them. Okay, so other important facts. Then non-constitutional bodies, Niti Aayog, NHRC, HHRC, CIC, SIC, CBC, NGT, Lokpal, Jogpal, Lokayukta, all these will be there. तो ये पूरा हम तो एग्जाम जाने से पहले कुछ नहीं भाई, बट्टी मारना एक ही काम है इसका. या इफ यू आर एबल टू फाइंड सम लिंक्स, सिमिलैरिटीज और समथिंग लाइक दैट, मेक श्योर यू हैव सम लिंक्स विद दैट गाइस. कुछ नहीं, वो 1-2 मार्क के लिए you have to definitely go through this document. One question may come from this area, they will ask in the exam. So they are asking the one question from this constitutional bodies also. और क्या बच गया भाई? Local government, judiciary, parliament, executive, DPS, PS. I think more or less we kind of done guys. See, now time is there. Of course I done because I rushed. क्या करते हैं? Because I want to give overview of all these things guys. Yeah, if you focus on these things, 90% of the questions in polity you can solve. Okay, including the last 2 days ago group 2 also. Usme bhi, except I saw 2 or 3 questions which are very factual. Remaining all you can solve. So test yourself. Before you go to the exams, navigator sessions rehte hamare, of course. I will usually discuss the CDS ka other papers. UPSC will conduct those exams, no? So many times what happens is, UPSC's questions in other exams will some or other way they will find way into the civil service exams sometimes. So don't worry about that. I will keep a track of all those questions, and if possible we'll have some session later on that. Ki my point is, polity is an area where you can definitely score. Ki 15 se 18 question aaye, maybe next year they will ask 16 or 15 questions only. I am saying that there is a possibility out of 15 questions if they ask, you can score 11 or 12, you can score guys in polity. Because ये ऐसा subject है जहाँ पे every aspirant in India will take polity. Because that is a subject which everybody starts with. But the only thing is you should have that clarity of thought. कि for example guys, एक काम करता हूँ. Okay, before I go, if you can give me 5 minutes, it's fine. Can you give me 5 minutes? Okay, no. डेमोक्रेटिक डिसीजन मेकिंग नहीं है 5 मिनट्स, ठीक है एक काम करते हैं. ओके गाइस, बिफोर, बिकॉज सम ऑफ यू मे नॉट कम टू माय फ्यूचर क्लासेस बिकॉज ये हो गया ये क्लास, लास्ट क्लास था ये. वन पॉइंट हियर गाइस, इन माय नोट्स व्हाट यू फाइंड इज, ओके देयर आर सम थिंग्स व्हिच यू हैव टू, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस बॉडीज का जो रेडीमेड पीडीएफ है ना, इन माय नोट्स ऑलरेडी यू कैन फाइंड सम पॉइंट्स. देयर आर सम पोस्ट वेयर प्रेसिडेंट विल अपॉइंट बाय warrant under his hand and seal. So that list is there in my handout, okay, in my thing. See which post president will appoint by warrant under hand and seal. I gave in my notes. Second thing, which reports are laid by president, you see, okay, not all reports president will lay, they will trap you in the options. Third thing, what they will ask is, PM is the chairman of which of the following, they will ask you. That entire list I gave in my notes. Okay, PM is the chairman. So all consolidated notes is there. Then Lakshmikant may go and see all majorities. You just go and read all majorities. Okay, so I am repeating: president, warrant under hand and seal, reports which president will lay, and PM is chairman of which of the bodies, you see guys. Then you see all types of majorities you read guys. Uske baad you also read all types of bills document is there, you read those bills document. Okay, then after this what you do is, 6th May, all grounds of fundamental rights I just told you, no, कि वो grounds में 15 के grounds, 16 के grounds, 23 clause 2, 29 clause के grounds है. और one more ground is there, which is 23, 29, 15, 16. 325 is not fundamental right, but you can see that grounds also because it is mentioned there. So all grounds you see. Then applicability of fundamental rights कि ये areas में questions आएंगे, so you should get the clarity. Then please make a list of which are the charged expenditures that you will find in budget chapter guys, कि इंडिया में which are charged expenditure, which are not charged expenditure, वो लिस्ट पे पूरा बट्टी मारना पड़ेगा. Okay, that is one thing. और इसके अलावा make sure you go with this before you go for prelims. And और क्या है, elections, qualification, disqualifications, there are some areas. Then bodies तो already constitutional statutory bodies तो chart of bodies, dead bodies. Okay, bodies may I have added a separate handout, separate PDF on center state bodies. Generally, you read constitutional statutory bodies, you will anyhow read, guys. Executive bodies. Also read center state coordination bodies, interstate council, zonal councils, northeastern council, GST council, Niti Aayog. ये भी PDF with all composition is there in my Google Drive. बट्टी करके जाओ. This year also they asked Northeastern Council, one question will come. Constitutional statutory bodies, executive bodies, बट्टी करके जाना है, ये भी एग्जाम में आएगा. Which means if you read these areas, guys, what I just highlighted here, there's a lot of scope for you to get more number of marks out of those 15 plus questions what they ask. You will be getting at least 10 questions right. At least you will get, if you push a little bit ahead, you may get 12 to 13 marks questions correct also out of 15 questions. One or two definitely mistakes will be happening. Let us be realistic point, guys. Okay, so ये हो गया. And then I told you guys text of FR, DPSP, FD, new amendments in those also you go and see. Okay, that will also fetch you good number of marks. New amendments, मतलब new articles, new क्या बोलते हैं जो changes आ रहे हैं, read about that. Okay, अब इसके अलावा and also guys, schedules and parts. Schedules and parts, no escape from this. One question will come from schedules and parts. एक बार देख लो parts. All parts are not important. See the major parts like emergency, local bodies, financial, interstate relations, etc. ठीक है. और कुछ anything else? Preamble के definitions. Preamble every term definition. Preamble every term definition you see. Nowadays they are not asking questions on sources of the constitution, but if possible go through that also. Hardly we are seeing any question on sources these days, but still ये तो हो गया. और क्या है भाई? 12th one, whole polity. ठीक है, I mean make sure इसमें majority are there in my handouts. थोड़ा सा ये budget के थोड़े things are not there in my PDFs guys, but remaining all are there, and do read that. And हाँ, इनका cases they are not asking in the exam, but read the landmark cases, that's it. Charter Act, only one question they're asking, very less cost benefit, so you have to read, but I don't know that day in my handout. 13, 33, 53, 1909, 1919, 1935 must read. इसमें पक्का पूछेंगे. This year also they asked in history. Okay, और कौन सा? Emergency, हाँ, one question may come. Wait, वो तो topic हो गया. Here I am saying the charts and everything and most repeated questions in the exam. ठीक है? Preamble ये हो गया. हाँ, ये पहले पढ़ो. Without this, don't go to the exam. Okay, these things are must. And वो 73rd 74th amendment के text 9th and 11th and 12th schedule के terms, but local governments one question at max guys. Parliament more utility is there, so parliament में इसलिए क्या करो, majorities और motions committees, read those things guys. और bills ये वगैरह है ना, ये देख लो. budget देख लो भाई, budget, how budget is passed and what are the elements in budget. ठीक है? Anything else apart from this? Time is up. So online guys, if any comments are there, जल्दी करो. We have to leave. Please send us your notes here. Telegram mein it has been uploaded today. You can go to Amigos IAS Telegram and you can read, get from there. Okay, that is the only way I can share. Or kuch, any others? Here I can't send. How can I have no access. Other guys, बाकी लोग जो भी है, ठीक है, access will be there. Zoom no, how can I share notes? No, this is on computer, no. Drive only is required, no. Click on file option. अरे नहीं भाई, इसमें नहीं है ना. हाँ? From here I can't type on main Zoom, no. Zoom is not there. You ask office, call the office, somebody will share to your phone number or WhatsApp, please. Okay, that is the only option. Or kuch tired, no? I'm happy. because my classes are over. From tomorrow I can leave early, no? Huh? Not my Telegram. Amigos IAS. I don't have Telegram. How can you search Telegram? I don't know what. How to search? If you just go to Amigos IAS Telegram, you will get, no. How many members are there in that? Because many channels will be there on that name. 25,000, huh? Huh? 27,000 are there. Not that group, guys. There is an official Amigos IAS Telegram. 27,000. 27,000 wala channel is there. In that they have shared today. Andulo scroll చేయండి పైన. If you scroll, can you find? Drive is there. Morning 10:07 a.m. it has been posted today. Okay. और कुछ? This is the bachalo polity. Polity is not tough, guys. Okay, it's just about revisions are more important. Okay, so use that. ठीक है, guys. Good night. Bye. Means time हो गया भाई. Come and meet me na, or just find some way to contact me. I will discuss, because it's not something which can be discussed on just Zoom and all that. एक बार बैठ के तुम्हारा preparation levels क्या है, sources क्या है, how far you have studied your optional, all that has to be discussed. So वो थोड़ा time लगेगा. ID नहीं भाई, Amigos IAS को आ जाओ. Come to Amigos IAS, you can meet me. Far away, unable to come. क्या करें भाई? Okay, so I mean, we'll see. Leave your Insta, you will message. अच्छा, Insta में I can share. Insta में मेरी ID क्या है? I can type it here or what? Okay. But it will be strange for me to clarify polity in Insta. Addybird88, Addybird88. That is my message. That is my Instagram ID. Okay, thank you. Bye. Good night. See you. ఏంటండి? Number I don't want to share, guys. I am the worst guy on phone. I don't reply to people. Don't stay in touch with friends. So I'm not good on phone. I'm not there on Telegram or any other page. I can't. Every faculty is there. They have their brands. They have their names. I can't. I have my own. I have other life also. Okay, apart from teaching, that is most close to me. Okay, so I do teaching for my पापी पेट के लिए teaching करना है. Of course passion भी है, बस पापी पेट के लिए करना है. With this money only I can do all those adventures. ठीक है, and buy all those things what I want. ठीक है, so see you guys. Take care. What all I have to share, I have shared. ये PDFs भी share कर दूंगा तुम्हारे पास. Practice this PYQs, guys. Current affairs you read. Okay? इससे बढ़ के तो कुछ नहीं है पॉलिटी में. Okay? Bye, guys. Good night. Thank you.